Okay, here are 4 Lennox central air conditioning units at the Kent Park Nature Park in Tiffin, Iowa. Me and my mom are currently on a little nature drive right now, and we might go on a little nature walk here soon. And I found these 4 Lennox units at one of the centers here, and I thought I'd get a quick video of them. So yeah, here's this Lennox unit. And I don't know if these are Elite Series or just standard units. These might be Elite Series. That one's a 5-ton from 1997. And here's this one. This one's a 4-ton from 1997. And here's this one, which is running. And it looks like the fan grill is upside down for some reason on this unit. Yeah, the fan grill's upside down. That one's a 3-ton from 1996. And then here's this one. A 5-ton from 1997. And these units have Copeland scroll compressors, I think. They got them in their own compartment. This one sounds pretty nice. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 4 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.